this is Ivy and welcome back to my channel, Ivy the Wonder Girl. In this video, I'm going to show you what I did in Kuranda, actually what I did in Kuranda Scenic Railway. So let's have a look.
What does my dad do? I don't know, he's just pointing it at you. Shh. Yeah, he's recording.
After our lunch, we walked to the Kuranda terminal, where the Kuranda Scenic Railway station is. We will see how the train journey was in this video. Kuranda Scenic Railway is a tourist railway service that operates along the heritage-listed Cairns to Kuranda railway line. Constructed in 1891, the line runs from Cairns, Queensland over to the Great Dividing Range to the town of Kuranda on the Atherton Tableland. Sia, Sananda and myself started planning our train trip in Platform 1, where the train is about to start.
We're going to go back to Cairns by the Kuranda Scenic Railway. And we're in 14. It doesn't look like how I went before.
With our tickets in hand, we entered the train's timber heritage carriage and easily located our comfortable and roomy seats. The polished timber, charming and ornate detailed ceiling designs are reminiscent of a bygone era, which has been lovingly restored.
Hello, so now we are going on a train ride all the way back to the beginning of the Skyrail. Then we are going to go back to the Skyrail and go back. After that, I have nothing to say. They said everything. We all got pendants, and they're all tattoos. They're from my house.
The train journey takes 1 hour and 55 minutes complete. Our train started from Kuranda at exactly 3:30 p.m.
Okay, what is it?
It's a trip guide. So we first started at the station. Then we'll be looking at Barron Falls from the windows, and then after that we'll be the Skyrail's in a different route. So we'll go like that, and then after that we're going to Rob's Monument, and then there's Glacier Rock and Red Bluff.
The train has 2 types of tickets, Gold Class and Heritage Class. We thought that we booked Gold Class, but we ended up allocated to Heritage Class. The difference between the 2 classes are Gold Class has individual lounge style seats and they serve drinks and snacks. They also provide souvenirs. The first stop of the train was Lookout, from where we can see Barron Falls. We saw the same falls from the other side when I did the Skyrail cableway video. If you haven't watched it, I have the link in the description so you can watch that video too. We all got down from the train and took some photos and videos. Then the train resumed the journey in 15 minutes.
Here are also important to the traditional inhabitants of this region, the Jabbergai people, and feature in their Dreamtime stories.
There's a commentary on board the Kuranda Scenic Railway throughout the trip. You can also download the free commentary app available for iOS and Android in a range of language including English, German, Japanese, and Mandarin. The train is supposed to pass 15 tunnels, with the longest at 490 meters. The tunnel journey begins from the historic town of Redlich. It is an opportunity to appreciate the many risks and challenges faced by those who hand-carved these magnificent tunnels while working along the cliff face. The train stops at Freshwater and then Cairns City. We all got down at Cairns City. After reaching Cairns City, we had our dinner in a nice Indian restaurant and went to our rooms by local bus. Then we slept as we all were tired, and also we had a flight to catch the next day morning to Sydney. Bye, Kate. That's all for now, but I'll be right back with another video like this. Until then, ta-ta, bye-bye, see you on my next video.